Alright, welcome back. Now we're going to do about a summary about elimination. Okay, so previously we have done substitution. We also have the same 4 steps: preparation, combine, solve, and solve again. So for elimination, the preparation part, how do we do it? Okay, firstly we write back 8x plus 3y equals to negative 17. This is equation 1. And then we have 7x minus 4y equals to 5. This is equation 2. Okay, so how to prepare this? Now this one is very you can't really see obviously how to eliminate each other, right? So let's say we want to eliminate y. Okay, so we can do it like this. Equation 1, okay, since this is 3 and this is negative 4, so equation 1 is this top one. How do we make y the same? We times. Remember, this is negative 4. So we times negative 4. So what do we get? 8x times negative 4, we get negative 32x minus 12y. And negative 17 times negative 4, we get 68. Okay, similarly, what we do with over here? Equation 2, we times 3. Okay, times 3. So 7x we times 3, we get 21x minus 12y equals to 15. So we call this equation 3, equation 4. Okay, so this is the preparation stage. Okay, next when we're going to the combine stage. So how do we combine these two equations together? Okay, the point already mentioned, we want to get rid of this, right? Okay, since they are the same, we can easily get rid of it. How? Okay, firstly, we can put it as equation 3 minus equation 4. Okay, now I highly recommend that you follow the bracket method. Okay, don't be overconfident yet. Alright, because you see, previously a lot of people have been doing this silly mistake whereby they they forgot to minus accordingly. Alright, so you see here 12y equals to, now left hand side minus left hand side, right hand side minus right hand side, so 68 minus 15. Okay, now a lot of you forget when I expand this. Okay, now I'm going to the solving section. When I expand this, negative 32x minus 12y, this side nothing wrong. Okay, but this side a lot of people forget, minus 21x, yes, but minus negative. So what do we get? Positive 12y equals to, okay, here we can solve straight away. 68 minus 15, we get 53. Okay, so solving it, minus 12x and plus 12y, minus 12y plus 12y, we get 0. Okay, so negative 32x minus 21, what do we get? Negative 53x equals to 53. So x we get 53 over negative 53 equals to negative 1. This is x. And then same thing we do over here. Okay, we need to solve again because we found x already. We need to find y now. So x we put inside any equation, any of the equation here. Okay, let's say we put inside equation 1 lah. Okay, so what do we have here? Equation 1 is 8. Now x, we found x already, right? So x is negative 1. And then, oops, we cannot see. Okay, x is negative 1 plus 3y, right? 3y equals to negative 17. Okay, so from here, okay, we can do negative 8 plus 3y equals to negative 17. 3y equals to negative 17 minus plus 8, negative in plus 8 equals to 9. 3y equals to negative 9. Forgot. Negative 17 plus 8, negative 9. So moving up, y equals to negative 9 divided by 3. Y equals to negative 3. Now you notice, here we get the answer to be negative 3, negative 1, negative 3, negative 1. Okay, so it's the same.